Ebusianfo, mimo bibia kwaba deba GCN page so. Mesrel, subscribe to my channel. Founsa mia bell ne so. Ubenya notification. And seme ekoso o memu bia benye bietie anase ubenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha midin ede adwoa searching. Honorable Kennedy akompre kon e Japan ena okase MP de ma Ascent Central. Na honorable ne sema okay na say he's fed up. O say I'm tired. Maba wa brese o hwe nkrofo ba adan enkrofo bebrebo omode omoba ato eye honorable no enya asem keto akra honorable Kennedy Japan e bisa se nkrofo kro no aya modem paso na mu bu mu pa dwedwedwedwa aya mo boni di ana mo ti mu feelings na is he part adan ti obi a wo person to ne din obi chese dipa be ahia omo awi no omodo ato eye honorable Kennedy Japan enti aya to bede na za bofra ni ko school a say honorable o nana ni ko school obetua school fees honorable nana no yare o obetua hospital bill honorable nana no bro ya tari say on man discussion say it's so irritating enti honorable Kennedy Japan say sad na mo ye na he's fed up enyo no nkwa no ye MP ademana mubu mu padwedwedwedwe adimwani anadwena mo nkai no na embome no results ne ba product na ebeba na eyeba no and na mo de na acho no I say bana moto no kwado ni how but see na ya doso na Ghana for any be edia dances honorable Kennedy Japan one of politicians or more Ghana hanuma he's very good when it comes to so microphone but even omo amfa omo banto no kra no otua school fees wa hwe bi mu university why employ bi more he's very good but now no I think say he's fed up he's really fed up because honorable Kennedy Japan akasa wa ba out abebi no me de na he's fed up into honorable say ebadin to no eye adoso say an honorable ede etuja
so irresponsible. You are a guy, you go and sleep with the woman, have a good sex with her, make babies, then you foolishly bring your responsibility to me that you've named a child after me, so I should take care of him. I have over 200 kids that have been named after me.
People name their
when you were making sex, making love with your wife, did you mention Kennedy Japan's name? Stupid. And we are not bold to criticize these things. Because, traditionally, when they say they name a child after you, it becomes your son or your daughter. Yeah, so that's your response. They come to my house, all the way from Sashi. When they come and say, oh, I named my child after you, I say, okay, thank you. But you say you named the child after me, so go. Why are you standing here? Because you have to give something. And you give? Yeah, but what do? You'll be counting your life. Standing there from maybe 10 a.m. to about 6 p.m. still waiting for you to give them handout. Look, here. Even moving pick, I put a sign there because of coronavirus, I'm not receiving visitors. They will still keep. They will sit there. I don't know why the security didn't allow them to enter. They will enter. When I go to my hometown, but this time I say I'm not going again. You bar me yet. Oh, I'm so pissed with the way they voted for that NDC boy who didn't do anything because 50 Ghana said I'll punish them for that. Since December 8th, I just went there last week. I don't care. I'm not going here. I gotta live life, boy. I'm not going to shove their irresponsible behavior all the time.
I watched one interview where you stated that you're not going to be building factories in your hometown again and all that.
No,
is that the result?
Because my hometown, they will think when they are working for me, they think, oh, I'm working for MP. Okay, they think they are doing me a favor. They are not doing me a favor. But if I put the factory here in Accra, the people from my hometown who have migrated to Accra, it is because they want to change their life. That is why they
Get an HD Plus decoder from now till the 9th of August for just $89.99 Ghana cedis and enjoy 3 months free subscription.
They've moved from Accra to this place. They become more serious than those who sit there. You take the factory there and they think working for you, they are doing you a favor. So I'll put the thing here. When I come, and that is what you want to do, if you ask me for 10, I'll give you 2. Then I go. Okay, so you see, we have to be bold and address these issues. It's becoming too much. Because my time, I was walking on the street. I didn't get any uncle, any friend to help me. And today somebody will come from Holland, trace 1860 history. They migrated from Asedom into from Fuanse, Nairobi, whatever, everywhere. Now you are my brother, you are this. When I was walking on the street, was there anybody there? We should begin to speak the truth. I'm not saying we shouldn't help people. We have. But some people take advantage of kindness and abuse it. Okay? Well, I don't know what we can do. But let me tell you, I said something on the radio. Me, I'm not scared though. You are saying that go and be president. The things I'll tell you people, you will sit up and go and work. Yeah, go and be president. I will march all of you to go and work. Yeah, because you sit here and depend on government for everything. How can a government satisfy 32 million people in this country? So you continuously be poor because government can't satisfy everybody. It is those of you wake up in the morning, you come to work, you are not making so much, but at least you are making a living. Okay? So we need to conscientize the people to stop thinking that government has to give them everything. It will help us.
Hon Kennedy na yetene nka no de aka no na eje beto aso.
De am ya o mi wiase ne se papa ni be wo wie na afa na mo bone samrane. Papa ni be wo wie na afa na mo ka kire se one the first president who was able to do free education for the whole Ghanaians. Papa ni be wo wie na mo ka kire se one na ati kuo bi e friend napko. My friends are unemployment graduate people. Papa ni be wo mo ka na fo asa ka kire me se. One the president and no dwene here phone. Ono na abamu na udi na tam kura no onka hwe. Papa ni be wo mama ka se me se. Ku for da abamu na utimi tra kwa mu ton no ma. Na ye du abaye bi ama. Na abaye bi ama. How Ghana for? This is the kind of people you are. This is the kind of people you are. But the name of ku for is on physical. You don't come together as a journalist. You don't come together as a bloggers. You don't come together as a citizens. And when I catch them, some more bad citizens. You're famu chichirukro. More bad citizens. You're famu chichirukro. Citizens are the chichirukro. Man, this is a dear time. And Sanama share video. And just you can't someone go a bit so and Sanama follow you. And just you go a woofy and Sanama me a star. Men pester yo. Massa me born the bro. Chale me a serious show. Chale, I don't depend on MPP and ECO. Chale. I know where I came from. Oh. I know where I start life from. Me catch on me confirm the yogurt. I'll never stop saying this. I know the Ghana I belong to, no. Obi a person including our every parliament, every court to them, every ironful, every Kufa different to me. And you people are disgracing him as somebody you never hear in Ghana. Mu kuru officer obi amonte mu ne no ma pa na se mu ni suma da wo Ghana. Hey. Ene ka wudi na tema wa edi. Hello. Ya nya ohwe. Na na do de wudi na tema. Obi antwechew. National security kura yedin. What do you say? Yeah, Mr. Papa when say mra because of say we mra nimni we lawyer kese nti mra ena obi betimi dia Ghana for ama Ghana for Kennedy senya mra dia nanado e kwana wuyiro mu wuyo ala wansi na wutua no mu wuyo e chicha for na wutua mu ka mu wuyo na kono mu wuyo conference na wubie no Ghana for wa control mu wuyo propaganda na e do and 20 years ago, young would finish in you. Yan son of Ghana for you. Enti emra. Nana emra de aba boy yan for ma watching and win. Yan yama also go school free. And yan can musia more power for na me kasama woman. Woman social media. I don't deserve to disgrace myself or to talk on social media. To insult anybody, I'm nobody to nobody. But I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people, they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana ni railway sinyajimo. Journalists bi antimi aka ho asem do. Wo mo faso kotofo suntale wo mu dwamu ho ekoba. Journalists bi antimi ankotan radio station aka ho asem. But atem the